Nothing wrong with the seat in Nissan, but it's a little faded and got a lot of crumbs in it too. But I want to put a seat cover on it, help keep it looking new. Plus I like these saddle blanket type seat covers. Ooh-wee! I've got the seat in my truck now. It's been in here about 5-6 years. I like it because it's got pockets. One thing about these little trucks is there's no storage, so anywhere you can pick up some storage helps. So let's go put it on. I guess the seat rests have to come off. I think these two bolts here probably hold it on. Look like 10 millimeter. Second thought, I think it'd be best if I just take the back, separate the back from the bottom. And to do that, there's a Phillips head screw right here. And this cover just, it's on there pretty tight, but it just slides forward. $17 millimeter nut. Boom. And like that, out it comes. We're just going to cover up all the seatbelt stuff, and I'll just cut a little slit in it. Just pull this clip around. Now I think we're going to take this whole seat out just to see what we can do. Seat out, it looks like there's a 12 millimeter bolt here and one over here and two on the other side. So let's pull these out and see what we can do. Alright, so I got this roll of wire. Don't know where I got it. Knowing me, I probably found it and or acquired it by means we won't speak about. I'm going to cut off a little piece of wire. I'm going to make my own hog rings. And I'm just going to pull this front of the seat, and I'm just going to pin it down here to where this pocket is at the top. So if you don't know what a hog ring is, these little metal clips are hog rings. That's what holds your seat covers onto your seat cushion. And we can move it a lot better. Oh yeah. Well, there it is. Doesn't look the best. I think I could tweak it some more. Just tuck it in a little bit. I might do that. Oh, it's like a time capsule of junk. Charlotte Observer from April of 2002. Oh man. $3.99 for a double steak burger. That's a deal. Oh man, yeah, my throat has been feeling a little scratchy. I don't know what this is. I kind of want to drop it in a thing of soda. I don't know. The A's cap. Now would be a good time to clean this truck out. Vacuuming robot, do your thing. It's the next morning. It got dark last night and I decided to let the vacuuming robot work overnight. All right, let's go see how the robot did. All right, nice job. Where's the robot? So I bolted the two seats, the seat back and the seat bottom together. I think it looks pretty good. The seat bottom by itself and the seat back by itself is not bad. You bolt these two things together and the weight like quadruples. It's a little, you're gonna need two people to wrestle this thing in and out. At least I did, or I have to. Take your knife, make a little slit for the seat belts. I know that's the hardest thing to do, is cut a hole in the seat cover that you just put on. The middle seat belt I'm just going to leave behind the seat, but it just comes through the bottom. But let's face it, once my fat ass gets in here, there ain't room for 3 people, so I'm just going to leave them still attached so I can use them if I have to, but they're just sitting behind the seat. Alright, so now we just got to bolt it down. It looks decent. It covers the seat, so if you want to keep your seat looking new, it does the job. And if you just want to cover up some rips and stuff, it does the job. I like that it has these pockets along the front that I use to put little things and odds and ends in. The cheapest seat cover on Amazon is exactly that, the cheapest seat cover. I think I spent 40 or 50 bucks for the one in my Ranger. It was a lot better quality. It was one piece, so it was easier to put in, although I had the seat out to do that too, but the seat was out for a different reason. I say if you're gonna put this seat cover on, go ahead and take the seat out, and then while you're in there, you just clean out your truck. Although, I wonder what happened to that robot. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down, but you're not going to do that because you're cool. You got something to say, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from people, even if you got something not even related to the seat cover video. Got some time to kill, check out my podcast, 10-Minute Off-Road Podcast. I'm going to put a magic little, they call them cards, but it's like a link to it. If I can figure out how to work this YouTube magic. If that didn't bore you and put you to sleep, check out this video. I was going to say this is one of my favorites, but I'm getting tired of saying you're getting tired of hearing it. So check out that video and then that video. Hit subscribe, and I'll catch you later.